Good evening everybody, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we're looking at Nvts. This is Navitas Semiconductor. You can see today this one is falling by 10.76%, and over the course of tonight's video I'll be giving you all of my personal thoughts and opinions on this. If it sounds good, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. At the same time, do remember, I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Now first things first here, I am impressed by the fact that we're holding above 1415, 1420, levels of support that we saw over the course of late last week and of course into this week. We are seeing these hold up, which does indicate a significant amount of strength. Whilst we are holding this consolidation channel, which is ultimately good, you're seeing another thing also play out in a very interesting style. The RSI is now beginning to fall. Now you would expect this after a drop of over 10% in a day. This is of course to be expected. At the same time, it is a very good sign for potential technical runs going forwards. If you see this consolidation hold up into tomorrow, you could be in a very good position, right? We want to stay above the 1410 range at the very lowest. If you're able to break to the upside from here, initial levels that I'm looking at, $15.95, $16. $16.25 then becomes interesting, as does $16.50, $16.60, $16.75 from there. And then of course you could be looking to retest much higher levels around 17. 1730, 1750, and so on. Those are just a few of the numbers that I'm looking for. I'd love to hear your personal thoughts down below, as this is just my opinion. Do let me know yours down below. Thank you. Goodbye for now.